I'm Melissa DiMaria.
And I'm Cynthia Gill.
So we wanted to take a minute and introduce you to Florida Educational Services, or FES. FES was founded in 2017 by Holly Prescott with two missions. The first mission was to provide affordable, elite-level education to market centers. The second was to provide a platform for our agents and our leaders to hone their presentation skills and be able to get out of their market center and build their businesses. And that's exactly what we've done. I've been owner of FES since 2025, January. I'm a real estate agent of 20 years. I've been all with Keller Williams and all in Tampa. I am a KWU instructor and have been instructing with FES since it was founded in 2017. I'm a real estate investor and have a huge passion for education and teaching our agents how to build the businesses that they want. Cynthia is my partner. I'm going to let Cynthia introduce herself.
Thank you so much, Melissa. Hi, everyone. I've been licensed since 2004, and I've been a real estate broker for the past 5 years. I started my career with Keller Williams in 2004, and that's the only brokerage I've ever known. I've had the pleasure of being a team leader for 16 of those 21 years. And recently, like Melissa mentioned, we partnered together to continue this amazing mission to bring elevated and elite education to all of our Keller Williams partners throughout the North and South Florida region.
So what you're going to see in this email is just simply an introduction to FES. We want to take some time over the next few weeks and just start to help you understand what we have to offer you. So look for our emails, look for the information that you're going to be sending us. In every email that you get, there's going to be a calendar link. At any point in time, when you're ready to have a conversation with Cynthia or myself about what FES can do for your market center and for your agents, we will so look forward to having that conversation. So make it a great day.
Thanks, everyone.